Read and analyze. Carl Rudolph Paragas wants to stay healthy and fit. He jogs around the park every morning. The park is 30-meter long and 28-meter wide. After he jogs, he sits down on the lawn, which is 6-meter long and 5-meter wide, to have some rest. How many meters does Mr. Paragas jog every day? How many square units does the lawn have? Answer the following questions. How far does Mr. Paragas run each day? What do we call the total distance he runs around the park? Number 2. How big is the grassy area where Mr. Paragas rests? What do we call the space inside the grassy area? Number 3. If Mr. Paragas runs faster, will he take longer or shorter to go around the park, and why? Number 4. Can you think of any other activities Mr. Paragas could do to stay healthy and fit besides jogging? How might they help him? And last questions. Imagine you are Mr. Paragas. Why do you think it's important to exercise regularly and rest afterward? What is the difference between perimeter and area? So, area versus perimeter. Area, it is described as the measurement of the surface of the object, while the perimeter, it refers to the outline that surrounds a closed figure. Area represents the space occupied by the object, while the perimeter, it indicates the outer edge or boundary of the shape. Area is a measurement of the area is addressed in square units, for example, square, meters, square centimeters, and etc. While the perimeter of a shape is measured in linear units, for example, meters, centimeters, and etc. Area is a two dimensions are involved when measuring the area, for example, length and width of an object, while the perimeter, as it is measured in linear units, it measures only one dimension, for example, length of the object. Perimeter is the distance around a particular polygon, so this is the perimeter. While the area is the amount of space occupied by an object, so ito yung area.